All right, so we're looking at the emini March contract, and I've already taken a trade and got out right under this where all this liquidity was at 79. There's a lot of resistance, but it's going back up to it. Looks like it wants to pound through it. So that is why but that's why I took my profit. I got in here at 170.75, this little bull flag, and it went up and got up into that resistance area, and that's where I took profit. Made about 375, but it's back up there again. And let's see, wait a minute. Yeah, they pulled some of that liquidity. So let's just see what happens. Because there were 600 or 581 right there. At one point, there were 673 orders sitting at 79. So when they pulled them right here, well, 77.25 has 488 right now. So that's usually what they call a magnet. That's where the liquidity is, where they can make that trade. There's sellers here sitting here ready to sell at that. So if the buyers can push it up into that area, if it absorbs it and just keeps going, that's kind of what we want in a bull market. But let's see. Yeah, it looks like it wants to go on up. Now that they pulled all those at 79, though, they could just break on through. I'm not seeing a bunch of other liquidity up here. 95 has 214, 85 has 133, 90 has 149. Um, I'm just 78 still has that 244 and 77 499 at 500. Let's see if we can break through this real quick, and if it is, it's probably going to go on up. I'm sitting out though. I've made my money this morning. I'm done for the day. 375. Is that what I said? Yeah, 375 is okay with me. Uh, it's bouncing in that 77 zone right now. Um, I will pause it and come back with a little update. All right, so this is a quick recap. I've done I'm done trading for the day. Here was a good little bull flag that I was actually had to run some errands, and I probably wouldn't have traded it anyway because, like I said, I'm done. But there was a good one. Um, Everything was looking well. See now, I probably wouldn't have taken that even if I hadn't made my money today, because it this DMI is the red is above the blue, and for me to trade on the upside, the blue's got to be above the red. So, and the MACD was also pointing down. So for me, that would not have been a trade. Now here is one point where it could have been. Um, I know I'm probably kind of rambling right now, but here's what I look for is this little 1, 2, 3 reversal. When it's going down, you got a 1, 2, 3. Can't continue on down. It breaks that high. That would have been a good trade, and that was right at the time that the MACD was crossing. But then again, this is the 2-minute chart. So let's look at the 15. These are my personal notes also, just so you know. This is not for any trading advice or anything else, and you can take it for what it's worth. If you get something out of it, that's fine. If not, well, sorry. But I go back and check it myself for what I was thinking at the time. And so really, yeah, I'll just have to disregard what I said earlier on the because of that 2-minute chart, because I've been really trading the 15-minute lately as of late and been doing pretty well with it. And it's showing that this was a good move. To the DMI was definitely bullish. The MACD had crossed back over, bull side. And let's just look at a 5-minute, see how that looks. Yeah, so that was a good trade to the long side. But like I said, I was done for the day. Hope you had a good trading day. Appreciate you watching. And like I said, these are my trading notes. And so we will see you in the next video. Take care.